These ones, yipari mfethu. I mean, come on. Where have you seen when somebody afaki Gucci? We don't dress like that, you know. Once you see a person, I know.
That's true. Even the rich guys don't.
Yeah, even Kat Matala, I mean, once you start wearing shoes like, you know, her sweat shoes in Zeshana with, you know, come on, I can't dress like Pig Zulu mfethu ngiphume kasi. Yeah, like I was Java. Wow, ubona uthi ba ke Mongol, wayibona ke Mongol mfethu ka wena ka nyuke kana mfethu ukase apari Louis Vuitton le bantala teng like bo Mamkhize Mama Mkhize wabona ke dipari mfethu nyuke ya ba ifostane yabo la wazama ubuya sikhowa utla sikhowa sa teng mfethu model sika Zulu accent guys look at me wabona nje uthi and ba like ke dipari mfethu le Cyril wa mona vaya ke pari mfethu kokasi let me tell you never wabona